आज हम इस वीडियो में आपके क्लास 9th इंग्लिश मूवमेंट्स टेक्स्ट बुक के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स डिस्कस करेंगे और फर्स्ट चैप्टर के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देखेंगे और इस चैप्टर का नाम है द लॉस्ट चाइल्ड। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, थिंक अबाउट इट से। ठीक है, क्वेश्चन 1, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स द चाइल्ड सीज ऑन हिज वे टू द फेयर, व्हाई डज ही लैग बिहाइंड। तो इसका आंसर है, ऑन हिज वे टू द फेयर द चाइल्ड सीज टॉयज, बैलून्स ऑफ डिफरेंट कलर्स, garland of gulmohar, a swing and a snake charmer playing a flute. He gets attracted towards all these things, so he lags behind. अब question 2. In the fair, he wants many things. What are they? Why does he move on without waiting for an answer? तो इसका आंसर है, a child wants many things in the fair. He wants to have toys, different sweets, garland, balloons of different colors, and has a keen desire to enjoy the roundabout. He moves on without waiting for an answer because whenever he stops to see things, his parents gave him a cautionary call, come, child, come. Now, third question. When does he realize that he has lost his way? How have his anxiety and insecurity been described? Answer. The child sees a roundabout in the fair and gets attracted to it. He wants to have a ride on it. He asks his parents for permission to enjoy it. Having no response on the part of his parents, he realizes that he has lost his way. He starts crying bitterly at once and runs here and there in search of them. Fourth question. Why does the lost child lose interest in the things he had wanted earlier? Answer is, the lost child loses interest in the things he had wanted earlier because he got lost in the fair. He is panic stricken for being lost. Now he first wants his parents. He is afraid and feels unsafe. Now question 5. What do you think happens in the end? Does the child find his parents? Answer is, yes, I feel that the child finds his parents at last. The kind-hearted person must have tried his best to find his parents. On the other hand, the parents of the child must have left no stone unturned to find their child. Now, let's move to question number 1 of page 6. First question is, how to ensure not to get lost? Its answer is, it is very common that children get lost in fairs and crowds. Hardly a day passes when no child gets lost. It is the duty of both the parents and their children to ensure not to get lost. The parents need to be vigilant and more careful at crowded places before entering a crowded place. The parents should fix a point where the child could wait in case of getting lost. They should make the child memorize home address and telephone numbers. They should put or pin up a note on the pocket of the child with full details. They should attend to the need of the child and never leave him behind in case he happens to stand at some shop. On the other hand, the child should hold the hands of his parents at a crowded place. He should keep an eye on his parents so as not to lose sight of them. In case of any emergency, the help of police, help centers, and media can be taken. So this is all about this chapter number 1, the law.